What's up, guys? Welcome to today's edition. We'll be teaching you how to explain this website, Businesso multipurpose website builder. Yes, let's quickly explain what this website is all about. Businesso is a multipurpose website builder that allows users to create professional looking websites without requiring extensive coding knowledge. It does not require any coding knowledge. It allows you to build a website users to create professional looking websites. It's used for building various types of websites such as business websites, e-commerce websites, portfolios, blogs, and so on and so forth. You can use the Businesso multipurpose website to build other websites. So now let's go to the installation of this website. Let's check how the installation. Don't forget that when you purchase the website on Code.Cayon, you're going to get your file and your purchase code. Yes, so let's go. I already have my file. So now don't forget, I used to say you're going to create your database and your domain. You have to have your database and your domain already. Now, so first let's go to our file manager. Yes, so move to our domain, our folder. Yes, so firstly you're going to upload your file. You already know you are going to upload your file. So you click on the upload and automatically takes you to where you're going to select your file. So you click on select file and you upload. You pick the file you want to upload. Trash mails, installable, open. Yes, so it's upload. While it loads, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, share, and comment. And if you need any of the full installations of those videos on our YouTube channel, any website, the full installation of any of the websites, contact us through the details on your screen. So let's do it while it loads. Yes, it has uploaded successfully. Now let's go back to our folder. Yes, we already have the zip file here. So the first thing we're going to extract, yes, we're going to extract the zip file. Let's extract files. Let's show it while it loads. Yes, extract. So click on the close. Yes, so we have all the files here. So select all. I'm going to move all back to our root folder. I'm going to move them back to our root folder. Move. Yeah, it's already on our it's already on our root folder. So let's leave it. So now let's go live. Let's check our website. So you click on your domain, your folder. This is mine. Yes, I see Businesso installer. Check requirements. Yes, check permissions. Okay, yeah, we have an issue here. You already know when you have this kind of issue, you are going to go back to your files that you installed. So you're going to change the permissions back to 775. So now let's go back to our folder. So we are asked to check storage/framework. So look for the storage. Yeah, this is storage. You click the storage, go in framework. So you right click on the framework and change permission. Don't forget, you're going to change it to 775. And you see, change permission. We have storage/logs also. So we're going to go back to the file manager and we're under storage, then logs. You click on logs, right click and change permission. Change permission to 775 also. Change permission. And the last one is bootstrap/cache. So you go back, that's up one level. We're going to look for our bootstrap. Yeah, this is our bootstrap. Go in the bootstrap and right click on the cache, change permission. don't forget it's also 775. So click on the change permissions. So up one level to go back. So now we're going to go back to the site and we're going to refresh. So can you see that's all been marked? So you're going to verify license. Verify. So this place, this is very important. So the app name we are installing is Businesso. Yes. So database and your database name and your database username and your database password. You should already have your database name and your password after installing, after creating your database. So I already have mine. So just have to, wherever you saved it, you copy and you paste, then copy your password also. Yes, you paste. So click on the install. After I click on the install, then you have this. Yes, then click here to exit. Yes, so yes, now we now have our website loading. Yes, so now we are inside the website. This is the home interface. This is the home page. Yeah, can you see? Businesso, build your dream website with Businesso. Yeah, so this is a tab here you can use to build your website, and here to view demo. So we completed 500 plus projects with client satisfaction. They have completed over 500 plus projects with client satisfactions. Yeah, so these are some of the websites created under Businesso. Yeah, there are more. Yeah, these are another set. So more, you can click on this more template to see other websites created by them. So yeah, bye for today. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, share.